context of this movement is the giant, also known as the zero petal flower. I am demonstrating now in overhand. Both of them are overhand. In order to do this in a way where, because it's really easy to fall into a pattern where what you're doing is you're propelling it with your shoulder. But if you look at my body down here especially, you'll notice what I'm doing is I'm moving my hips in a way to propel the motion of the poi so that it's not all powered in my shoulder, thus preventing injury up here, which every age is a thing. Poilates is structured after Pilates, which is using these powerhouse muscles to power the motion. And if you can imagine between your two hip bones here, there's a smile, and that you're pulling in and up, right? And then what happens is your earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, feet are shoulder width apart, knees are soft, pelvis is tucked, and then if you've gotten this right and the earlobe is over the shoulder, you won't have this turtling here, right? You'll have your head up like this. And so it'll feel maybe a little snooty because you might feel like this is a very, in my opinion, this is a very powerful pose, but it's not how we're trained to stand in culture anymore. And the more we use our phones and computers, the more we do this. And there's so much rounding, it's really not great for us. So the idea with the Pilates drill is we don't use the poi, so we don't injure ourselves accidentally with it. And what I want to go through is all 4 versions of this. So we'll do 15 repetitions in each direction. 20 is ambitious. Okay, so let's start with the left arm up, right arm down. This is called the titty drill because we go into the T, the I, the T, the I. And so doing just what you were just doing, but T, I, 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 T, I. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And at any time, your arm should be forming a straight line. And 8, 9, using the hips, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then it's opposite. So every move has a companion, a pair move that you would pair it with in a turn, right? So if this is the overhand, this is the underhand. So let's do the underhand version of it. Same body positioning, only this time we do the backstroke, right? So the start with the right arm down, left arm up, and then you go back. Left goes back, right goes front. And then they both go up, the right goes up, left goes down, right goes back, left goes front, then right goes down. And then spinning around in the backstroke. And 3 and 4 and 5, 6, a little faster, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then let's just, because you did so well with the overhand one, let's just try the underhand one with the poi and see what you do with it. As you get more comfortable with it, you'll notice that what happens is your string will go from doing like that sort of thing to this sort of thing, where you have a straight line from the shoulder all the way to the tip of the ball, as opposed to like this lagging sort of sensation. Let's try the opposite direction versions. So there's a pair of those also, which would be, this is my right hand overhand, my left hand underhand. It would be like this on this side. And then with my left hand overhand, my right hand underhand, it would be like this on this side. So let's do the arms for that, right? Okay, so right hand's overhand, left hand's underhand. They're both down at the bottom. When you go into the T, you bring your right hand back with your hip because your hip is powering it. Then they both go up. Then your right comes front and your left goes back. But look forward. I'm only looking to the side because I'm looking at you. And then come back down. And you come to neutral. So it's this where the right goes back, this where they both go up, this where the right goes front, and this where they both go down. So let's do it. 3, going up and coming down. 4, they both go up, they both come down. 5, they both go up, they both go down. 6, they're both up, they're both down. 7, they're both up, they're both down. 8, they're both up, they're both down. 9 going up, 9 going down, 10 up, 10 down, 11 up, 11 down, 12 up, 12 down, 13 up, 13 down, 14 up, 14 down, and last one up and down. Now we're going to go the opposite way. So just without even turning, bring your right one forward and your left one back. The other way. Now they both go up. Now you turn towards me because the right is in the back and the left is in the front, right? So your body opens towards me even though your head doesn't. And then they both come down. Right front, left back. Both up. Right back, left front. Both down. Right front, left back. Both up. Right back, left front. Both down. Right front, left back. Both up. Right back, left front. Both down. And 5, they're going up. And 5, they're going down. 6, they're going up. And 6, they're coming down. 7 going up. And 7 going down. 8 going up. 8 coming down. 9 going up. 9 going down. 10 going up. 10 going down. 11 up. 11 down. 12 up. 12 down. 13 up. 13 down. 14 up. 14 down. And last one up. Last one down. Let's try one of the opposite direction ones, but let's take a moment and just drill the hand that's underhand, which is the left hand. Okay, and so what we'll do is the left hand, underhand, and I just want to do 10 of these circles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, looking forward, 8, 9, and 10. Now, let's turn the other way, just so that you'll understand in a minute, and let's do underhand with the right hand. Okay, and we'll do 10 of these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try this. Left hand overhand, right hand underhand. And we're just going to try this where we go 5, 6, 7, 8, both spin around and come back to bottom. So your left has to go back, your right goes front when you go up. Your left is overhand, which has to go backward. Yes, and they're in same time, not split time. So around and down, around and down, and then obviously you can do it continuously, so that's fantastic. And then if I were to give you super subtle coaching to focus on, we want to avoid this tendency right here that I'm doing of like falling forward in what I call the downhill skier, okay, which is a very normal thing. A couple things that help with that: softening the knee, lifting the toes, and that forces you back on your heels. Let's do it one more time. Left hand overhand, right hand underhand. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make it small. Now we're going to turn the other way. Switch directions so that your left hand is underhand and your right hand is overhand. Precisely, yes. We're going to do the same thing, but opposite. Okay, so remembering our posture, keeping the toes lifted if necessary. Left is under, right is overhand. And I will count off 5, 6, 7, and go. Circles, 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 circles. Remember, at the same time. They both hit the bottom at the same time. And 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's stop and reset. Right is over, left is under, left is under. They're in same time, same time. They both hit the bottom at the same time. And 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In split time, underhands for 10, facing this way. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then turn the other way. And let's go into overhand. We'll do the same thing. 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!